Welcome to Radhavesh Finance, and this is the weekend, and we are going to predict the new predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 1st of September 2025 till 5th of September 2025. Guys, in the last week, whatever we have predicted, it has not up to a certain limit has become so true. So that's the reason, as we seen that downtrending as our chart analysis was predicted by us, but unfortunately it wouldn't work as the tariff has really impacted the world economy and US economy too. US economy get a profit and other economy get downfall over here. It's an and then contradictory of our YouTube video. You can see the description link where you will find it, and the what we have predicted, and it wouldn't be become so true. So we will not say that it is an political, what we can say, new policies has impacted on our idea. We have not kept in mind that how it will be impacted and what are the ways it will be impacted. uh, actually actually, the media has have a different sort of presentation on its social media as comparing us to the reality. As we can say, 70 or 50% media has not given in positive. It's not a reality match with the media. It's a mismatch. Maximum number of times is maximum number of times is a mismatch, but up to certain limit it is match only in certain cases. So here we have seen that number of things, the predictions. Anyways, we will leave it that we will not do assassination of the media reports, how's that, how I that, and where that. So it's not assassination, it's we can call as a SWOT analysis. Not sorry, it's not a SWOT analysis, it's a SWOT. It's not a SWOT analysis, it's all about just analysis, we can say. So the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which we are going to predict it. But the thing is that the last week, if we have seen that the Nasdaq Composite Index has closed around 21,455.55. And apart from that, if we see that, so frankly, over here we can see it has a sustain 300 points down the line. 300 points is our error, I guess so. No, it has given a new peak of the year. As we have seen, the Nasdaq Composite Index has given a new peak of the year, that is 21,803 points. So probably, and Nasdaq 100 has given also the new peak is 23,969 has peak of the week, pick of the month, and pick of the year we have seen over here. So let us see what we can say. No, I guess so. It is not given pick or something. So you can go and check out by your end what we speak, how we speak. I know that all intelligent people is our subscriber. So anyways, guys, you do more analysis than us. We are just doing a chart analysis over here, but factfully, we can say Vridvesh Finance has literally doing not great, because we have predicted number of hot equity, but nobody has comment on that. No subscriber we have given gain it. So it's just like we are doing deep dive in the equity ocean. Is it true? I don't know why I'm just say something which is not relevant. Anyways, guys. So here is the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 25th of August 2025 till 30th of August 2025. Minimum lower end 20,500 points. stability can show 21,850 points, and maximum it can goes up to 21,900. It will not cross 22,500 points. Let me guess it. Are you believing in our predictions? Up to certain limit, yes, I guess so. Nasdaq 100 will be minimum lower end. It can goes around 22,650. It can show some sort of stability around 23,000, or we can say 22,815 return. Maximum it can goes up to 23,950 points. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. So what Trump administration wanted to do investment in other countries is his lookout, as I think. So one see, anybody don't give the discounts on anything. So be aware if you wanted to control your own country. So here we will speak about the new predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 1st September 2025 till 5th September 2025. Composite Index minimum lower end it can goes down, trend up to 20,800. It can sustain 21,850. Suppose it will cross maximum number of points is 22,200 points, and Nasdaq 100 which will goes down up to 22,550 point, but it will be stable at, I mean, it will give us to you flat trend around 22,850 points, where maximum it can cross 24,150 points. In return we can give it to you 23,000 is a perfect slab for all, means it will sustain above only 23,000 and it will downfall below 24,000, means 23,400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. But we are not giving in return, that's it. So thanks for everybody's excitations to wait for a week. We are weekly reader on our YouTube channel Ridhivesh Finance. Thank you, bye Ridhivesh Finance. Every weekend wait for us and watch our YouTube video for further analysis. Don't be regret. I mean, if you are an investor, data analysis, data scientist across the globe, follow us on our YouTube channel for further information. I know there are a number of people who's intelligent is follow us. I knew it. Okay, if you know you are intelligent, subscribe. Just mention your name in YouTube. I mean, I'm not going to track all of you. What is your profession? What is your qualification? But the thing is that it just chat up with me. I mean, chat up with me in the sense of, and that you can mention your name if you really wanted to know. Yeah, we will speak, we will chat with the one who's very intelligent, or the person who think he's an intelligent person in the whole world doing chart analysis, and hopefully we will share a greeting on our YouTube channel for the whole week. I not like that. We will announce their name if they say something and contradictory to interact with. This will be interactive session with the person who think that he's intelligent. He can share his video, or I know I say he because there is no she is available except me. Okay, so I believe it. I will say like that. We will have interactive sessions once you guys are start sending us videos. You can mail us your videos of 60 seconds. We will add that video in our this YouTube on weekly YouTube channel video, so you can have your own presence on our YouTube channel, but it must be 60 seconds video which is having an amazing ideas I mean, what is your opinion about us and how you see the economy and how do you believe in our chart analysis? Do you think that our chart analysis really worth or you want we should add something in that? That's it, guys. Happy Sunday. Thank you by Vridhvij Finance.